Hi guys, today we are going to see the unboxing of Tecno Spark 6 Go. So now we are going to unbox. Let's open it.
So here is our stylish Techno phone. It is Spark 6 Go. So it was very lightweight. Let's keep it aside and let's open. Here is our crystal cover for the phone. And here is the warranty card for this phone. And this is the user manual. At last, this is the charging adapter and this is the cable. So our unboxing at fully over. In phone, this is that 13MP dual camera. This is the speaker. Then this is that 8 megapixel selfie camera. This is the volume button, power button. This is the headphone pin and the charging pin. And this is the fingerprint sensor. For this we have to open the back cover and only we can connect this memory card and SIM card. So let's switch on the phone. Before running the phone, we have to put charge for at least 5 to 7 hours. Now the screen appears like this. So we have to wait for some time. So a screen appears. Scroll upward to unlock the phone. Now default tabs are many. And our screen is very bright. Also I like the display of this phone. And this phone was very slim and very lightweight. Now I am going to insert the memory card and SIM card to the phone. So long press the power button and swipe down to switch off the phone. Now it has switched off. Now we have to remove the back cover of the phone. But for me it is somewhat difficult. Now it is removed. So here is the place for SIM card and memory card. And this is the 5000 mAh battery. Now I took the SIM card and I am going to connect to the phone. Now I connected and I am going to connect the memory card. This is the speaker of the phone. This is the unremovable battery. This is the dual camera fingerprint. And now let's connect the back cover of the phone. Remove that sticker of that phone. And now we are going to connect the back cover of the phone, that is the crystal cover. And it was so stylish. And I am going to again switch on the phone. Now it has opened. So this and all are options. So here's the default tabs. So let's open the tools. So here are the calculator, notepad, radio, face unlock features. And here is our Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flashlight and many other things. And here we have location. Then the main important features are the tie care. So here, then bike mode. So when you ride, you can reject incoming calls. Then this is WhatsApp mode. So when WhatsApp is on, only WhatsApp download music, you can use data traffic, and other apps restricted to use data. So let's give cancel, and here's a battery saver, location, many other things, and the processor of this phone is octa-core 1.8 GHz, so you can do multitask. So I'm going to many apps. Even I'm recording screen record, we can do many things. That only I'm doing in the phone. So I'm opening many things. The primary dual camera of this phone is 13 megapixel. So the images will be crystal clear. The images I took are very clear, as you can see. And when you zoom it, the pixels will not be shown. Then it also has a night mode to take the photos in the night. The display of this phone is 6.52 inch HD plus dot touch screen. Its resolution is 720 into 1600. This phone has G sensor, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and also fingerprint sensor.
And this phone storage capacity is 64 GB RAM and 4 GB ROM. It has so many features, but its rate is 9,000, so it is a budget phone only. So you can buy it. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment.